Hi, I'm Dave Berg. How many times have your buyers asked for a Carfax for the home? They want to know, when was the roof replaced? Who installed the HVAC? Were permits pulled? Has this home actually been maintained? Most of the time, the seller just shrugs. We would never buy a car without a report, but we buy and sell homes, the largest purchase of most people's lives, based on hope and scattered paperwork. Agents have all seen what undocumented homes cause: nervous buyers, inspection renegotiations, underwriting delays, price reductions, and even some deals falling apart. It's not that the home is bad, it's that the documentation is not organized. What if your listing came with proof? That's what Real Estate Ledger does. It allows the seller to upload permits, warranties, service invoices, roof documentation, HVAC history, improvement receipts, and many more, and generate a structured, shareable property guidebook. This becomes a Carfax for the home. You can share it before showings, print it for open houses, send it to buyer agents, transfer it to the new owner at closing. Now you're not just selling square footage, you're selling documented proof. This helps you win listings, differentiates you, reduce renegotiation, speed up underwriting, build buyer confidence, and protect yourself with documented disclosures. Transparency shifts the negotiation power. If you want to offer a property guidebook at your next listing presentation, we're offering a free professional trial. Message me or email sales@realestateledger.io. Documentation is becoming the new standard. Be the agent who brings it first.